Hey everyone, welcome to the Janice channel. Today, we're going to tackle the pronunciation of Amanda Seyfried, a name that often gets mispronounced. You might be tempted to say Seyfried or Seyfried, but the correct way is actually Seyfried with a sound in the first syllable. So it's Amanda Seyfried, not Seyfried or Seyfried. Simple, right? Let's practice it together. Amanda Seyfried. Amanda Seyfried. Amanda Seyfried. Amanda Seyfried. Amanda Seyfried. Perfect. Now you can say her name just like a pro. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more pronunciation tips. See you next time.